In today's video, we're going to be talking about one of the most important things that can make or mar your YouTube success, and that is your title. Listen, you can actually have the best video in the world, but if your title doesn't stop people in their track and make them to click, that video is simply going nowhere. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to write a YouTube title that goes viral. Not just decent titles, not okay titles, but titles that grabs attention, sparks curiosity, and make viewers click. I'm going to first of all talk about why titles really matter on YouTube. Here is the truth. YouTube is simply a battlefield for attention. Every single second, over 500 videos get uploaded on YouTube. So how exactly do you stand out? It's not your thumbnail alone. It is not just your content. Yes, it starts with your title. Your title is the very first promise you're making to your viewers. If it looks boring, confusing, and uninteresting, people will simply scroll past. But if it sparks curiosity and promises value, boom, you just want a click. And guys, clicks are everything, because no clicks means no views, no watch time, no subscribers, and of course that leads to no growth. So the first lesson is this: titles are not just an afterthought, they are the main strategy. I'm going to be talking about the 5 biggest mistakes that creators make when titling their videos. Before we talk about what works, let's talk about what does not work. And new YouTubers are the major people that makes all of these mistakes every time. Number one is a lot of new YouTubers craft titles that are too vague. You see a new YouTuber titling a video like "My Day at the Park." Nobody cares about your day at the park except you're a celebrity. Another mistake small YouTubers make is that their titles are always too long. And guys, I've always made this mistake until I learned better. And when I changed the tactics, everything changed. YouTube simply cut off after about 60 characters. So this simply means that once you title a video and that video is more than 60 characters, YouTube is going to cut it off. And the only thing people are going to be seeing is the first 60 characters. What if the sense in the video is not in the first 60 characters? How will people find the video interesting to click on? If people don't read the whole thing, they simply move on. Another mistake is that your title does not have any single curiosity. If your title gives away everything, then there is no reason to click. For instance, you want to talk about Tubudi, and you know that a lot of persons already know Tubudi, but you want even those people that knows about Tubudi to watch your video. Instead of writing how to get views for your channel using Tubudi, why not write how to get views for your channel using this secret app? Another mistake small YouTubers make and feel like they are wise is that they use a lot of clickbait. Clickbait with no delivery. If your video does not match the hype, viewers simply click away, and very, very fast. For someone like me, I hate clickbait a lot. If I'm watching a video and I see that what you're talking about is not what is in your title or what is on your thumbnail, I simply click away, and that would even make me lose interest in your channel. Another mistake is your title is always all about you and not even your viewer. You see titles like "My new camera setup." Titles like this do not connect. Instead of saying "my new camera setup," why not say "the camera setup that makes my video 10 times better"? Sounds familiar, right? Don't worry, we're going to fix all of this in this video. Hi everyone, my name is Deborah, and on this channel I bring you tips on how to grow your YouTube channel. So if these are the kind of videos you love to watch, do well to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell, so whenever I upload any video, you're going to be the first to be notified. Thank you. Now, here's where things get exciting. There are 4 ingredients that a viral title usually have. The first ingredient of a viral title is curiosity. People simply click on a video because they want to know the title. Instead of saying how to get more views, you say why your videos are not getting views, and then simply add how to fix it. Why your videos are not getting views and how to fix it. Can you see the difference? The first is simply boring, and the second simply makes you to desire the answer. The second ingredient for a viral title is specificity. You have to understand that on YouTube, numbers and details always win. Instead of saying "make money online," you say 3 apps that helps me to make $1,000 every week. You are being specific. Now, they know that they want to make money online. They know that you're making money online. And now they will be curious to know the app that you're using to make that money online. And the fact that you've mentioned such amount of money, they will make them to even be interested in such an app that helps you to make so much amount of money in 1 week. Instead of you just saying "make money online," that's so vague. The third ingredient of a viral title is emotion and urgency. In YouTube, words like shocking, worst mistakes, don't do this before it's too late simply triggers emotions and helps people to want to take actions immediately. Example is the biggest mistakes that small YouTubers still make. Now, when a small YouTuber sees your video, she will be so eager, especially one that has not been getting views at all. She will be so eager, he or she will be so eager to click on that video because they want to know what they are doing wrong and how to fix it. The fourth ingredient is value for the viewer. Before you title any video, ask yourself, what is in this video for my viewer? Like, what exactly do I want them to take home from watching this video? Example, instead of saying my editing setup, you say try the editing setup that will make your video look professional. If your title combines curiosity, specificity, emotions, and value, you are simply golden. Now, let me give you some plug and play title formulas that works in almost all the niche on YouTube. You can literally copy this and just fill in the blanks. Number one is how to do something in short time frame. Example, how to get 4,000 watch time hours in 30 days. Number two, the number mistakes everyone makes about topic. For example, 5 mistakes new YouTubers still make in 2025. Number 3, I tried method or 2, so you don't have to waste your time. 4, this thing changed my results. Example, I tried 5 AI editing apps, so you don't have to waste your time. 4, this thing changed my result. Example, this one strategy doubled my views overnight. 5, what no one tells you about topic. Example, what no one tells you about making money online. And 6, number hacks to desired outcome. 7 hacks to explode your YouTube growth in 2025. And last but not the least, before you do X, watch this. Example, before you start a faceless YouTube channel, watch this video. So you can basically use all of these things I have to fix in whatever you want to fix in, and this will literally help you. These are simply proven. They trigger curiosity, give value, and make people click. You may be asking, Debbie, how can I come with titles for my video? I'm going to be giving you a quick process on how you can come with titles for your video. First of all, you have to write down the main title, the main topic of your video in the simplest form as possible. Example, affiliate marketing for beginners. Like, you want to make a video, simply write it down. What is your video about? You want to make a video about affiliate marketing, importance of affiliate marketing, and all of that. Just write affiliate marketing for beginners in the simplest form. Number 2, to ask yourself, what is the benefit or pain points of affiliate marketing? Is it earn your first $100 on YouTube, or mistakes that stops beginners from earning on affiliate marketing? Number 3, you have to add one viral trigger, like urgency, a number, or even a strong emotion, like 3 affiliate marketing mistakes that stops beginners from earning. Number 4 is to write 5 to 10 variations. Don't stop at one, just test different versions. You know, in the first instance, I said you should write out the simplest form of your video. For example, affiliate marketing for beginners. And then I went down to say all other things. You can, apart from affiliate marketing for beginners, you can write out other things. You can coin out other topics, simple topics from the video you are making. Don't just use one. You can use tools like TubeBuddy, vidIQ to check what is trending and how many people are simply searching for the video you want to do. You want to do a video on affiliate marketing, right? By the time you use TubeBuddy, use vidIQ to search for trending topics, and use TubeBuddy to search for the keywords that those people are typing on search engines. So to recap, avoid all those common title mistakes I've listed earlier. Always use the 4 viral ingredients: curiosity, specificity, emotion, and value. Simply plug your idea into proven title formulas. Like I said, don't use one title. Always brainstorm and test until you get the viral title. And no, you don't have to get one title. If you've titled a particular video and you check your impression and your click-through rate and it's not doing so very well, use the next title you've crafted. So this simply means that as you are shooting a video, your video should not just have only one title. You should not just set up only one title for your video. Have up to 5 titles, so that by the time you upload with a particular title and you see that the title is not doing very well. And how do you know if your title is not doing well? If your impression is increasing and your click-through rate is reducing. Now, in fact, if your title is not doing well, your impression is not going to increase, because a lot of people are not going to click on it. When people are not clicking on it, YouTube is not going to show it to more people, and that simply means that your impression is not going to go up, right? So test different titles and always change. This also implies to your thumbnail, but this is not what we're talking about. If you want me to do a video on how to create viral thumbnail, if you like my thumbnails and you want me to do a video on how to create viral thumbnails, drop at the comment section. If you simply apply all this, your titles will get more clicks, your videos will get more views, and your channel will simply grow at a faster rate. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop one of your titles in the comment section and I'll simply help you improve it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't get to miss any of my videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.